Welcome to Creative Design and Supply. I'm here. We are going to go over some of my favorites, all-time favorites. These are the 3D roses that you cut with the silhouette. Mainly you have seen them in like shadow boxes. We're going to put a different twist on doing these today. So I've made a few already. We'll go through and I will show you the steps. First, I just use the heavy cardstock or regular cardstock you can use. I like the one that it's colored on both sides, and whenever you cut it, it's not white. You can use a cardstock to where you can cut it and then you will see a white. Either or, they all work. They all look beautiful. To start out, what I do is I get a sheet, put it on my mat. I actually downsized the file because I wanted to get 2 of them on one page, so I'm not wasting paper. So this is whenever I cut it out and I pull it off of there, they're going to come out like this. No rhyme or reason. They're very easy to do. You can hand roll them, start hand rolling them. I like to use tweezers, or I have a little tool that goes on a drill bit and I stick it in there and slowly will roll it up. If I'm doing a large project like this. So I'm going to show you how I do. I'm going to roll one up real quick and then I will show you exactly what we are going to do. But in the meantime, while I am doing this, I want to drop one of our Easter eggs for our sales. So Miss Susie and Mr. Curtis have been in business for 6 years. They started this company. So they did a sale for yesterday of 6 years, 6%. They are extending it, not sure how long, but for if you're watching this video, you can still use the YouTube 6 coupon code in the website or in store. You can come in and tell them that you've seen it, the YouTube 6, so that way you can still use it. So there's another Easter egg. So if you're watching some of these videos, we may drop something like that, or a sale, you never know. So I am rolling this. I'm trying to keep this part close. It's going to be kind of hard to do. I just keep scooting it up. I don't know if you can, well, I have a black shirt on. And I just roll and roll and roll until I get to the end. Okay. And then I'll slide it off. This is where I'm going to put my glue. I'm going to let it unroll and relax. Some of these I am going to make bigger than others because I'm fixing to show you. Let me put some glue in this and I'm going to show you what we are going to make. I have several ones that I need. So I don't know which one I'm going to do, but I wanted to do, you know how you have a flower bouquet in a cup? I'm actually going to put it on top of here and we're going to go around and make it. Not sure if I'm going to use this one or this one. I can put ribbon around it. This one I could put a date or something, and we could put some tissue paper on the inside of this. I don't think I quite have any in here, But we are going to, let's see. Alright, I had a little one that I was going to put up on the top. And I'm going to use these tweezers because I'm not going to use. So I'm just going to leave it like this. So okay. I have decided to start on the top because I'm not sure how thick or full I'm going to make this just yet. And to make sure that this cools, I'm going to use this little tweezers right here. Alright. And not all of them are going to look the same. Okay. I'm going to tack this piece right here. So that way whenever I push it up against it, okay. Alright, let's see. Well, wouldn't you know it? Okay. Okay. So I made some of these smaller and some of these bigger. That way if I want to fill in. Alright. I'm going to put a few more on these. I don't want to make my videos long. That way you can watch me. I'm just trying to give you tips and tricks and ideas of how to put this together. So I'm going to pause and I'll be right back and we'll go around a little bit more on these and see how it looks, and then we can decide if I want to go a little bit classier or just a little bit on the country. Okay, so I'm getting there and I'm pushing them up and filling them up. But do you see how they kind of move and they're out? I may just leave them like that because they're prettier the way that they're loose. Let's see how it works out. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I have a few. I'm almost down to the end of these. Now, I'm not going to be able to lay these as flat as I was, so I'm going to have to tuck those in and make them a little bit rounded. I had to cut a few more to put on here. Okay, and I'll show you what I'm talking about by making them more coned, and I kind of folded the end of it just a little bit. Let's see if I can get this in focus. Okay, so that way it has a little bit more. It's coned, but then I fold it over so that way it doesn't stick out as much. Just to make it round. Okay, and I'm going to glue this. I'm going to let it unwind just a little bit. Flip this up. Okay. And you need them in all different sizes. It doesn't matter if I have this one bigger and this one, because there's going to be little crevices that you have to put them into. So this one will be a good one to push up in. Alright. Okay, after this, about the code on the YouTube. I'm going to give you another little tidbit. Let me see if I can find it. This is going to be in my next video that I'm going to do. So this is our Color Splash Ultra. Okay, let me come over here real quick. I know I'm starting in the middle. I like to do these little Easter eggs. Okay, so this is the Color Splash Ultra. I have a video of it. You can search Color Splash Ultra and you can find it. Also have good ones on TikTok. This is our original screen print. Okay, I'm going to compare side by side. I'm going to press these on a shirt so that way you can see how vibrant this one is. Plus, take in consideration you see $6. Well, Miss Susie has changed the price to $5 to even make it better. If you follow me on TikTok, you will get to see new sales, and I drop little videos, but these are now $5. Okay, I just thought I would give you that little insight also, especially what our glue is. Folding these down. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have roughly 23 of the roses on here. I don't know if I'm going to put some ribbon down here to accent it, put it on this one, or if I'm going to put it on this one. They're both pretty. We will see. Just wanted to show you the finishing product. Now, places that it had gaps down here, I'm going to tuck some colored tissue or maybe some little pieces that I have. When I was working on this and I had to heat the middle of some of them, I would take my sharp tweezers and I would stick down in it and hold it in place while it cooled. Don't know if that would help you or not. This is the first time that I've ever worked with them to where I've glued them. I hope this helps. If you see anything else or want to try anything else, just you can email me or you can drop a comment below and just like, subscribe, and share, please. And have a good day.